Now this is an exquisite road trip. We are in Munnar. We have just crossed the Munnar town, and these exotic roads, oh my god, they are leading. We are headed towards the Spice Tree Resort Munnar, and such a road trip is absolutely beyond our imaginations. These roads are just another level. This is flanked by the tea plantations on one side and these beautiful hills, these rugged hills on the other. And we are in the center of it in our lovely car, and we are having the time of our lives. This pleasant weather, this awe-inspiring views, and this epic road trip. We are just so enamored and so grateful. The best road trip yet to be discovered, but to be followed by all of you all. At least all of you all watching my video.